they're gonna be seeing the inside of my freezer and my fridge. As you can see, here it is. You're gonna be going in this first, and then this. How that sound? Good. Okay. Here you go. Opening the freezer. Let me put you in there. I'm gonna put you in there, buddy. Wow, looks cool, doesn't it? Yeah. Good, buddy. Okay, good partner. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. And what? Did you get tricked that I fell into a hole? Alright, get in there, buddy. I said get in there. I'll kick you in there. Ow! Did that hurt? What's up, buddy? Max? Alright guys, yep. As you can see, we're done. As you can see, we have